There's an all-new onboarding experience in Dataiku. Cloud users and anyone on Dataiku 14 or later will now get a guided onboarding experience that will help new users get up to speed quickly, creating valuable analytics and AI projects from day one. Here's a quick tour of what new users can expect when they're added to your Dataiku instance. First, new users added to your instance will receive this onboarding email, which includes helpful resources for getting started. From here, they can navigate to Dataiku. All new designer users will see this 4-step onboarding questionnaire. This can be skipped if users want to jump straight into the product. But completing these questions will help to personalize the product experience for new users, enabling you to indicate your prior experience, your industry, and what tools you may already be familiar with. At the end of the questionnaire, Dataiku will propose a few places to start from. Selecting one of these will kick off the relevant Quick Start guide. Once you land in the Quick Start, the first thing you'll see is a brief guided introduction to the flow, including a tour of the flow and general navigation. Once complete, the Data Prep Quick Start tutorial opens right in the flow. So you can easily follow along and start prepping data, or even creating ML models in your first few minutes using Dataiku. Well, let's say you skip the onboarding, in which case you land on the Dataiku homepage. From here, you can easily start new projects or jump into your recent or favorite projects. Dataiku solutions are another way to kickstart new projects. These are ready-to-use projects for specific use cases. The left nav gives easy access to popular items like projects, data catalog, and Dataiku apps. While on the top right, your Dataiku admin can surface important messages, projects, and applications for users to be aware of. Additionally, there are tutorials and learning resources here on the right to help get up to speed on particular topics. When you start a new project, it can sometimes be hard to know where to start. That's why we've introduced a new empty state to the flow, giving you multiple ways to source data for your new projects. It includes 3 clear options, enabling you to connect or create data, browse sample data, and search the data catalog. Plus, there's a 4th option for those who prefer to get started coding in notebooks. Selecting Connect or Create presents a menu of options, from uploading a dataset to connecting to a data warehouse. Searching the data catalog will allow you to find reusable datasets from across your organization. While browsing sample data will take you to a small selection of datasets that are great for getting started with Dataiku. 3 of these come pre-selected by Dataiku, but your organization can choose datasets to show up here. Especially useful when there are specific datasets pertinent to your company that you want all your users to be familiar with or to get started with. And selecting a dataset, you can quickly preview the contents here. Once we select a dataset to get started with, if it's your first time here, you'll get a brief walkthrough of the Explore page, showing how to analyze and visualize your data. And that's it. Now, every new Dataiku designer can quickly get up to speed creating impactful analytics and AI projects. For more information, check out our latest release notes.